How to add a new device in Google Home. Got a new smart device and want Google Home to control it? Let's set it up in just a few taps. First, open Google Home app on your phone. Make sure you are signed in with your Google account and connected to your Wi-Fi. Second, tap Device and tap plus Add Device. From the menu, tap Google Nest or Partner Device. Tap Add Home. Give it a nickname. Tap Save. Pick your location and the app will start searching for your new gadget. You need to turn on your Bluetooth. The app will start searching for your new gadget. Select it and follow the on-screen instruction. But if it's a smart device from another brand like smart bulb, plugs, or cameras, choose Work with Google, scroll or source, tap a device brand, and log in to link your account. Once linked, your device appear inside the Google Home app. You can assign it to a specific room like living room, bedroom, or even kitchen. And boom, your new device is now part of your smart home. Just say, "Hey Google, turn on the lights," or "Hey Google, play music," or living room speaker. If this helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick and fun tech tips. See you in the next one.